Do you ever feel lost trying to understand where your sales are actually coming from? You see orders in Odoo, but not the full story. Who's buying, what's selling best, or how your team is performing. That's the pain point most growing businesses face. Data everywhere, but no clarity. In this lesson, we'll fix that. You'll learn exactly what Odoo 19's reporting feature does and why it's such a powerful tool for any growing business. Instead of digging through dozens of Excel sheets or exporting reports every time you need an update, Odoo automatically turns your sales data into clear, visual, and interactive reports that you can use to make fast, confident decisions. Every quotation, order, and invoice is connected, giving you real time insights into what's happening across your business without manual effort. Who is this for? This tutorial is designed for sales managers, business owners, bookkeepers, and accountants who want more control and less guesswork. If you're tired of copying data into spreadsheets, or if your team spends hours each week just to prepare one report, Odoo 19's built-in analytics will save you time, reduce errors, and give you instant access to the information that matters most. Why do you do this? Because data drives decisions, but only when it's easy to read and interpret. When you can see performance by salesperson, customer, region, or product, you move from reacting to problems to planning your next move. You'll know which customers bring in consistent revenue, which regions need attention, and which products are your top performers. It's not just a report, it's a real time dashboard that helps you grow strategically, reduce waste, and forecast with confidence. Where to get these reports? Let's go inside your Odoo Sales app. From the top menu, navigate to Reporting Sales. This is the heart of your analytics, the place where all your orders and invoices come together to tell the story of your sales performance. You can filter by dates, customers, or sales teams to get a focused view of your business. How can I get these reports? You can view results in three formats: pivot, graph, or list view. Start with the pivot view. Under the Measures drop-down, choose what you want to analyze. It could be total sales, quantity ordered, profit margin, or any other key metric. Then click the plus symbol, icon to group your results by salesperson, customer, order date, or payment method. If you need deeper insights, drill down by year, quarter, or month to track seasonal trends. Want to see how different states or countries are performing? Group by customer location and instantly compare sales between regions like California and Texas. When you switch to graph view, Odoo visualizes your data automatically. You'll see bar charts, line graphs, or pie charts showing exactly what's driving your revenue. Each color represents a product or category, making it easy to spot your best sellers at a glance. Once you have the view you like, click Insert in Spreadsheet Dashboard. Give it a name, for example, Sales Analysis by Team, and hit Insert. Now, your customized report lives in your dashboard app, constantly updating in real time as new sales happen. That's how you move from static spreadsheets to live dashboards, all within Odoo 19. When should you use it? Ideally, review your reports every week or month, especially before team or management meetings. This helps you spot changes early, compare targets to results, and make quick adjustments before small issues grow bigger. It only takes a few minutes to update, and the value it brings to your business decisions is huge. At Katie Links, we help you turn Odoo 19 into a business intelligence tool that works as hard as you do. Visit katielinks.com for implementation, automation, and accounting setup. And don't forget to subscribe for more Odoo 19 tutorials covering sales, accounting, AI, and reporting automation. When your reports tell the truth, your business decisions become simple.